Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Today's topic, or title of the video, is stacking dips and booking trips. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope you're doing good. Hope you've been stacking your Bitcoin. Hope you've been chilling. And, again, you guys worry about the short term price fluctuation of Bitcoin. You're probably not going to make it. And those that know better will do better. And not only that, guys, you know, Bitcoin is the money in the future. So you're able to trade crappy pieces of paper that are literally going to zero for the world's hardest money that we've ever seen. So what we're going to jump into is the Bitcoin price real quick. And I'm going to show you guys this beautiful, beautiful resort.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Shout out to James. Resort that we're at. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
What should they do? Stack the Bitcoin and what?
Listen to Bitcoin Chris, guys. He's got a Bitcoin tattoo on his face. He's serious. He knows what he's talking about.
It's okay. We're going to have fun staying wealthy if they don't. All right, so let's jump into the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin prices. All right, so right now we're at 67,424.
Let's go.
All right, resistance is right above at 68,000. I got clapped up earlier, but it's okay. It's okay. I went long around here and got clapped up. Didn't put a stop loss, but I got clapped, and it's okay. You know why? It's just a baby bag that I'm trading with. All right. All right, so looking like we're looking at the 24-minute. Let's just jump to the hour, per usual. Hour chart looks good. Hourly chart looks real good. All right, let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame looks good. Looks like we could head back up thanks to market cipher. We are able to make profitable trades. Shout out to Crypto Face. So this looks really good on the 4 hour. We did have that wick down, and let's look at the daily. Daily looks good. We had that sell off once we hit all time highs, and then now the last 2 days we've been up and coming. So I'm waiting for this green dot here to pop up. We do have RSI, stochastic RSI heading up. We still have money flow in the blue, and VWAP is looking like it's heading up. So I'm expecting maybe something like this, but we shall see. We can come down a little bit more. Don't know exactly what's going to happen. Just giving you guys my guess. We like to react to what's going to happen and not try to predict what's going to happen, because that's how you get clapped. All right, so now we're going to jump into CoinGlass real quick and some tweets, and then I'll show you guys the resort. CoinGlass. And y'all wasn't on CoinGlass until I was on CoinGlass, all right? I see everybody showing all the liquidation levels and charts that I've been posting. So you're welcome. You're welcome. All right, so let's jump into CoinGlass. We're going to look at the last week and see where these liquidations are at. All right, so in the last week, actually, let's go back. Let's do the month. We have more data on the monthly time frame, and we're going to go to symbol. Go to the monthly time frame here. All right, so we have liquidation levels all the way down at $50,000. I don't think we'll come down that low, but who knows? And then we have liquidations up at 69,000. 4.3, $4.2 billion in liquidations up above. We have 10 billion in liquidations down at 61,000 as well. So we shall see where this goes. Again, be careful with your leverage trading. This is what happens when you over leverage. We can see the data. So also the exchanges can see that data, and they will manipulate the price before taking us higher. So be careful. We're going to look at Bitcoin on exchanges. All right. So looking at the Bitcoin on exchanges here, dipping a little bit lower. In the last 30 days, we have 55,000 Bitcoin taken off exchanges. 7 days, 40,000 or 4,000. In the last 24 hours, 1,000 Bitcoin taken off exchanges. So with that being said, make sure you guys take your Bitcoin off exchanges and self custody. That way, you don't have to worry about any exchanges taking your funds. In the great and wise words of Bitcoin Zay, no keys, no cheese.
Please.
So please take your Bitcoin off exchanges. All right, now we're back on here. Let's see. Bit exit. Make sure you guys go get your tickets for Bit exit.
Don't miss it.
Don't miss it. All right, here's the Bit exit website. So make sure you guys go get your tickets. DJ Candyland will be spinning.
You already know. If you tuned in last night, you already know.
So we're gonna have some good vibes, and we're gonna have more special guests being announced shortly. So Bitcoin Zay is speaking. Camila and Armando so far on the lineup. And again, we're going to have a bowling competition. We're going to have, you know, Satoshi giveaway. We're going to be giving away 2 million Satoshis.
Who's nasty at cornhole? Let's go.
Cornhole competition, steak off, cook off, and much, much more. So make sure you guys go get your tickets here. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin because it looks like we're pumping. All right, so this is your alert, guys. If you're going to take a trade, yeah, this is a trade I would take, or I would do a market order here and then just ride it up to the high 70,000. What's the percentage on that? 2%. If you want to do 30x, 30 times 2.45, almost 2.5%, that'd be 60%, $1,000 trade. And if you do 60%, that's $600. So potential opportunity there. You can also lose. Look on the downside. You can lose 1%. So 1% of 30x, 300. Not probably not the wisest risk to reward ratio. Probably want to move that up a little bit higher and maybe do risk 100 to make 600 or 500. So always try to do 1 to 5, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So just be careful. Just an opportunity and an option to trade. So we went over bit exit, went over coin glass. We're looking at the price of Bitcoin pumping as we speak. And with that being said, we're going to jump right into the resort view because this view is absolutely amazing. And I want you guys to see what I see. So let's jump over to the resort view, guys. Come check this out. Come check this out. Cheers. Oh yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell
You
them.
know you want to. You know you need to. Love you.
Love you too, babe. All right, so this is what happens when you stack your Bitcoin and chill. You buy the dips and you book your trips, and you don't worry about the short term price fluctuation, and you enjoy your life, guys. You know what's the point of you stacking all this Bitcoin and you working in an office all day under fluorescent lights when you could learn how to trade or open up your own business or fix your credit? All the things that I've been telling you guys to do for the last, who knows what, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years now, that I've been telling you guys to do. You know, when you listen to the information that I've been giving you guys for the last 5, 6, 7 years, and you grind and you listen and you pay attention and you invest, then you're able to do things like this. Look at these people on the paddleboard. So with that being said, you guys can head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get your $10 free Bitcoin stack your DCA. I know River's good. I know Cash App is good for stacking your Bitcoin. The water feels absolutely amazing. Bless you. And I don't even want to talk anymore. I just want to show you guys. Just look at the view, guys. I don't know if the video does justice, but we on the iPhone 15 Max Pro Plus. So, I'm sure it does some justice, but it's a beautiful day today. If you're alive, God loves you. I love you. And Bitcoin is 70K. We're going to have fun staying wealthy. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Please share. Um, you know, I was going to go into the tweets, but, the only tweet I really wanted to go over was a lot of people have been saying on Twitter, I've been seeing it like, hey, can you explain Bitcoin to me? This, that, and the third, right? For you to have the this massive supercomputer, the iPhone 15, 14, whatever version of the phone that you have, or Samsung, you have access to the internet, right? So for you to have access to all the information in the world, and you're still ignorant to the fact about Bitcoin and what it is and how it works, and you don't want to look it up and do due diligence, right? It just rubs me the wrong way, because a lot of people are lazy, right? So if you're lazy, you don't want to look it up, that's fine, right? It just makes me question your critical thinking abilities. So, of course, if you want somebody to explain it to you, that's absolutely a-okay. But if you haven't even done the due diligence and look at the right white paper, read the right white paper, or you haven't even looked up, you know, the basic fundamentals or done any research on Bitcoin, then I highly recommend you do so before asking anybody on Twitter about anything, right? Because what if they're wrong, right? You got to look up the information yourself, cross examine, and find out the information for yourself, build the conviction for yourself. And then at that point, you might get a Bitcoin tat on your face. Because right? If you know, you know. But with that being said, I'm going to let you guys have a great Thursday while I'm out here chilling. And so, with that being said, Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love, you guys. Have a great day. Stack your Bitcoin and chill. We're going to have fun staying wealthy. And if you don't have any Bitcoin, that's okay because it's more for us. All right, you guys. See you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace.